Hey ladies, it's Amanda. So in this video I'm going to show you how to place an order on my website. So what you want to do is go to my website and I will have all the links available for you, and when you get on there you should see this. Obviously you'll see my name, Amanda Reetz, and then my photo. Up at the top here you'll see where it says place an order. There's also host a party, view the catalog, my parties if you want to look at what parties I have, the monthly special, join my team, and then personalization options. So go ahead and click on place an order. Then you want to choose right here, if you're shopping unrelated to event, then you would click here, but most of you are shopping through a party, so you'd want to choose your party from down here, and we're going to go ahead and use Sandy's. You want to click shop now, and then her details will show up, and you want to confirm that by clicking shop now again. And then that will take you to the page with the products. On the left hand side you'll see shop by category, so you can look right here and it will tell you all the different categories that we have. At the top you'll see that it has the name of the event, the host name, the date and time, so make sure that matches up with the party that you're purchasing from. So we're going to go ahead and do a large utility tote as our order for today. So that is under storage and utility. And you'll see all these different options come up. Now for all of the spirit items, you'll see an option for the collegiate large utility tote or the collegiate organizing utility tote or any of the other spirit items. And these are slightly more expensive because it's already included the cost to put the collegiate patch on it. So if you're looking for a regular large utility tote, not a collegiate one, keep scrolling and you'll see right here large utility tote. You can also order by product number if you have it, so you can go up here to the search section right here and type it in. But I'm going to scroll right here to the large utility tote for $35. Click on it. Now you have the option to look at different patterns. You'll see in this drop down menu right here, you'll see all the different patterns that we have once you click it. Once you highlight a pattern, it will show up like that. See how it changed to the woodblock floral? Let's say I want to see the pink lots of dots, one of my favorites. And see, it'll change it to the pink lots of dots for you. So we're going to go ahead and order that one. Click add to cart once you've chosen your desired pattern. Then it's going to pop you over to the personalization section. You go ahead and click the drop down right here and it'll tell you that you can embroider it for $7, add an icon for $10 plus embroidery. That $10 does include the icon and the embroidery, or you can choose to have neither done. So I'm going to go ahead and do embroidery. So you click that for $7 and it tells you right here to select your thread color. If you click on this link right here, it will take you to a color chart. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and select a color. So we are going to choose black. Let's go ahead and do black thread on it. And then the next one you would come down to is font style. Again, you can click here to see the font chart, which that's actually what the first one was supposed to look like as well. So this is what the page will look like for your personalization guide. So this right here are all the different fonts we have. On the left hand side you'll see all the font options, and the number underneath it will let you know which one to order. The next line over here is for when you do monograms. Now remember that for monograms it's going to be personalized in the order that you enter it in as. The next section over is all the different options for just a one-letter monogram, or well, one-letter embroidery. The next one over is one letter with a dot on either side. And then this bigger section here will show you each and every different character, letter, number, and how it's going to look once it's printed or embroidered. If you scroll down, it will show you the different thread colors, and it also gives you an idea of what thread goes well with what pattern. And then other options for embroidery, or personalization, excuse me, is laser etching for any of the items that are wooden, but you only need that if you order a basket or something that does laser etching on it. So we're going to go ahead. I really like, this is one of my favorite fonts right here, is font number 19. It's nice and bold and a little bit more modern, which I like. Another font that I love if you're looking for something fun is font 12. But I'm going to go ahead and do font number 19. So I'm going to go back to my other page, select font 19, and I did it in black already. Now it asks you what number of lines you want, 1 or 2. For personalization, you can put 8 characters on each line or 12 on a line of 1. Excuse me. 8 characters on 2 lines or 12 on 1 line. Does that make sense? Hopefully. So I'm going to go ahead and just do 1 line. I'm going to put my name. There you go. So you type that in exactly as you want it embroidered. So I have an uppercase first letter and the lowercase rest, and that's exactly how it will work. So that's gone ahead and added to my cart, and you can continue adding items from here. I'm going to go ahead, since we've spent $35, you want to make sure you pick up one of the customer specials. This month all of those are in the totes section. So I'm going to click on the totes section. And you'll see here where you'll see doubles. You see how there's 2 of the same item, and then again there's 2 of the same item right here for the Cindy Tote and the Easy Breezy. The first one actually says Cinch Sack $20, and then the next one next to it will say Cinch Sack Alias Special $20. When you have already spent your $31 or $35 requirement, depending upon the monthly special, then you can go ahead and click on the one that says Alias, and once you add all of that to your cart, so we're going to go ahead and go with, let's pick, let's go ahead and do the punch bowl. That one's kind of fun, the one that's all dots. We're going to add that to our cart. We're going to go ahead and do an icon this time, and I'm going to select the icon of a flower. The flower color I want to have is going to be golden yellow. Thread color I want to have is going to be hot pink. Font style, I'm just going to go ahead and pick 10, I believe. Yeah, there we go. And I'm going to do 1 line, and this time I'm going to put 31 gal, because I'm a 31 gal. And there you go. So we've added that in, and once you click the checkout button, okay, now you should be able to click on your shopping cart, and you'll see that my first item showed up as $35, which is the regular price, $7 for the embroidery. And then you'll notice that my customer special, which this month is 50% off, showed up at the 50% off cost, so only $10. Now, if you were to go ahead and click on the special first and then add your other bag second, it would show up at full price. So you have to make sure that if you're getting one of these that you already have $31 or $35 worth of products, depending upon the special. If you're going to get 2 or 3 of them, make sure that you have 62 or 93, depending upon what your calculations add up to for the amount of specials that you want to pick up. So then you want to click on checkout. So you'll go ahead and you want to have it shipped to you. So you'll put in your name. Oops. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and fill this in. I'm just going to delete this out. And I'm just going to make up an address here. You'll see that's my name and phone number. So it should calculate everything for you. Oops, I forgot to put last name in. There you go. So that is all figured out now. Alright, and then at that point, you want to go ahead and pay for your order. So you review everything, make sure everything looks the way you want it, all the personalization, everything. You'll see your information over on this side. It'll give you the product, subtotal, tax, shipping, and then your total. Pay for order. Now this is going to ask you about 31 Gifts. 31 Gifts is our charity, and you can round up your order. So my order right now is $75.22, and if I donate that 78 cents, it'll round up my order to $76 even. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and donate my change. Okay, next you will see the order payment screen. So here is where you're going to want to click credit card payment. So you go ahead and click that, and you would enter in your cardholder's first name, cardholder number, expiration date. Be sure if your expiration date is like January 2013 that you go ahead and put 0113. You don't need to put the 20 in here or it confuses it, so only 4 numbers go in there. The security code goes in the next section down, billing address, billing zip code, and then the amount you want to apply to your credit card. So if you wanted to split your order between 2 credit cards, you could do that. But if you're just putting it on 1 credit card, you would type in $76 because that's my total, and then the Save Payment button. Lastly, after you go ahead and submit your credit card information, you should be back at a screen that looks just like this, and you'll see now that there will be a big pink Submit Order button available. So you'll see that you now have a 0 balance, you've applied a credit card payment for the full balance that's owed, and you want to be sure to hit that Submit Order button. If you don't hit the Submit Order button, then your order will not be placed. So be sure to hit that button, okay? Let me know if you have any questions. You can email, message me, or you can send me a message through the Facebook event, okay? I hope that was simple and easy, and again, thanks for ordering.